Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn how to change logo in emails, Magento 2 email, right? Sales email. So guys, this is a very important thing because we need some promotions emails and sales order contact so many types of emails. So we need some format change, some content change, and very most important thing we need a change logo in email. So guys, we are going to an admin area. Click enter your admin. Right, this is admin section, and here is you see marketing. Right, this is section is email. Right, click on email and see here. Right, this is some click on add new and see here. Here is all of emails available. Right, all emails available, right? Credit memo, order shipment, side rate, wish list, all type of things, right? So choose anyone, right? We need invoice update, not update. We need new order, right? Load, right? And click on new order, right? Yeah. And save it. Oh my god, this is already my bad. Yeah, this is already here, right? Click on preview, and this is your default format, and here is logo is Luma, right? So we need change the logo, right? Click on this here, and this is in content inside the email, right? You can add something here. So firstly we need how to change logo, right? So go to content section, click on configuration, and choose your default Luma. If you have, guys, if you have your custom theme, this is Magento default, and in future we will also develop custom theme. So guys, here is mention also your number of themes, right? So now is currently Loom, we are using Luma, but if you have any other email other theme, so you can click on your current choose theme, right? So click on here, scroll down and see the section transaction email, right? So you can choose here logo. So here logo, yeah, this is Avengers logo, and here is alt Avengers, right? And width also, height also as per your something, right? So need header footer, right? This is perfect. Default. If we create something new, so we need, right? Save it. It is take little bit time. Okay, so this is, yeah, this is save, right? So need for cache, so click on new tab and click on select all or refresh it. If you need only configuration, so this is also fine, but my bad habit, select all, no worries. Click on here emails, right, and click on new, turn preview. Yeah, this is change your logo, right? So guys, this is where to change logo on your email address. This is very important because we need promotion your e-commerce, right? So we are cover another also. So in this video very much, because this is very important thing. So thank you so much guys.